Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the PlayStation 5 error code CE-100028-1. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. Now this PlayStation 5 error code specifically relates to when you don't have enough storage space on your PlayStation 5. And this is simple to fix. So on the home screen, if we go up to settings and then go on down to storage right here, we can go to either our console storage, or if we have an M.2 SSd storage, we can go to that and then go to games and apps, and then we can locate a game to delete. So we can press X on a game, go to it, select items to delete, and then select the item and then delete it off our PlayStation 5 to make enough room for additional games in the future, especially if we're downloading something right now. Then we can press the PlayStation button, then go to download/uploads, and we can see the game in here, and it should go ahead and start downloading that. Also, another thing that you can do is to delete your media gallery. So I have my media gallery right here. If we go to this and then go to the left here and go to select multiple items, we can select multiple clips, or we can select all the clips and we can delete all these off our PlayStation 5. Now I don't need any of these anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete all these and delete them, and they're no longer there. Also, we can do the same thing for saved data. If we have any kind of saved data we don't want to use anymore, we could delete it off our console storage. Then additionally, you could go ahead and buy an M.2 SSd and place it into your PlayStation 5. Now, these are beginning to be relatively cheap, and you could probably find a 1 or 2 terabyte drive for about $100. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.